Assalamu alaikum student. This is science lecture of 6th class. Students, we were discussing handling data. What is data? Data is the scientific information that we get from our experiments. And we have read that we use four ways to display our data to organize our data. What are these four ways? To handle our data, we use four ways. These ways are tables, bar chart, line graph, and pie chart. In previous lecture, we have discussed about tables and bar chart. Today we are going to talk about line graph. So let's start. Students, open page number 10. Line graph. First of all, you have to know that what is graph. When information is shown in the form of rows and columns, this is called graph. Line graphs. A line graph is useful because it also shows results as a picture. What is line graph? Line graph is used to show our information, to show our results as a picture. You can also use it to read off values which you have not measured. This is the main advantage of line graph. Students, in previous lectures you have seen that in tables and bar charts we can read only that values which are written, which are shown. But in line graph we can also read that values which are not measured. So let's understand this table. This graph shows how the temperature of cup of tea changes over 10 minutes. Student, this graph is between temperature of tea in centigrade. This is 10 centigrade, 20 centigrade, 30 centigrade, 40, 50, 60, 70 centigrade, and this is column. And between time in minutes, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10 minutes. This is rows. Both rows and columns both are present, so this is called graph. Students, you have observed that when we pour tea in our cup, at starting our cup and tea is very hot, but with the passage of time the temperature of tea decreases. This graph shows that how the temperature of cup of tea changes over 10 minutes. It's 0. When we pour our tea in the cup at starting, the temperature of the cup is 60 centigrade. At starting, temperature of cup of tea is 16 centigrade and time is 0 minute. After 1 minute, the temperature of cup of tea decreases. How much it decreases we see from this graph. Yes, this is. After 1 minute, the temperature of cup of tea is 40 centigrade. 2 minutes. After 2 minutes. This is 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, the temperature of cup of tea becomes 30 centigrade. 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, students, you are seeing that at this point there is no present any reading. So how we read this, how we measure this value? Students, you are seeing that between 30 and 20 there is a difference of 10 minutes, 10 numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is these are 10 lines between 20 and 30, and this lines is on line number 2. 20 plus 2 is equal to 22. So after 3 minutes the temperature of cup of tea is 22 centigrade. In this way we can calculate that value which are not written in this. 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, this is after 4 minutes, the temperature of cup of tea is 21 centigrade. 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the temperature of cup of tea becomes 20 centigrade. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. During these minutes, the temperature of cup of tea remains 20 centigrade. This is because the heat transfer from hot object to cool object, and this transfer remains until the temperature of inside the cup and outside the cup becomes equal, and at 20 centigrade the temperature of cup of tea and outside of tea becomes equal. So this is the line graph. In this we have read that what is line graph, what is the advantage of line graph, and how the temperature of cup of tea changes over 10 minutes. Test yourself. Look at the line graph above and give answer of some questions. Question number 1 is, what was the temperature of the tea at the start? This is the starting point, and at starting the temperature of the cup of tea is 60 centigrade. Next question, how long did it take for the temperature of the tea to fall to 30 centigrade? 60 to 30 centigrade. How much time it takes to decrease the temperature of cup of tea from 60 to 30 centigrade? We see from graph it takes 2 minutes. Temperature falls from 60 to 30 centigrade in 2 minutes. Question number C. What was the temperature of the room where this experiment was carried out? Where this experiment was carried out, the room temperature is 20 centigrade, because at 20 centigrade the temperature of the cup of tea and the outside of the cup is equal. So 20 is the room temperature. So students, line graph is the third way that we use to organize our data. I hope you will understand this. Thank you.